My friend always said that life is like an extremely difficult, horribly unbalanced video game. When you're born, you're given a randomly generated character with a randomly determined name, race, face, and social class. Your body is your avatar, and you spawn in a random geographic location at a random moment in human history, surrounded by a random group of people. And then you have to try and survive for as long as you can. Sometimes the game might seem easy, even fun. Other times, it might be so difficult you want to give up and quit. But unfortunately, in this game, you only get one life. When your body grows too hungry or thirsty or ill or injured or old, your health meter runs out and then it's game over. Some people play the game for 100 years without ever figuring out that it's a game or that there is a way to win it. To win the video game of life, you just have to try to make the experience of being forced to play it as pleasant as possible for yourself and for all the other players you encounter in your travels. If everyone played the game to win, it'd be a lot more fun for everyone.